Alright, let's go ahead and get the press unloaded. There's your spent primer tube. Lever. Instructions. Some hardware. Press. That bad boy's heavy. So this is the auto-indexing turret. Sweet. It's beefy, just like the other one, cast. 3-bolt mount. Looks like it'll work fine with our existing setup. It's definitely beefier than the Challenger. Well, let's get her put on there. Alright, so first thing we want to do is drill some new holes for our mounting hardware. You can see the hole marks there, there, and there. So you gotta find the appropriate drill bit. Okay, one down, 2 to go. Okay, so now we got our holes drilled. So we'll go ahead and do a test fit. Get the press up here. Check and see if our hardware, everything lines up the way it should. Which it does. So at this point we just need to tighten everything up. Good to go. Okay, so now we're going to put our lever on. Basically you have the collar that sits in here on the press and locks in the ridges to the ridges. Then you have the piece that holds the lever in. and a bolt actually goes from one side to the other, and that's what cinches down the lever. So just to start, we'll kind of throw everything kind of lightly together so it holds itself. Find a happy place for our lever. See, the lever is curved. Come on, baby. And just start tightening that up. So we know we've got to spin it to clear to get our rotation to happen. So you want to make sure that the angle is pointed that way with your lever. And that's it, this step is done.